How do you know when flu season has peaked? Well, researchers pay close attention to doctors' visits, hospitalizations, and deaths. I'll show you what's happening around the country and here at home. Plus, another link between drinking alcohol and cancer in tonight's Health Watch. Lifetime heavy drinkers face a much higher risk of colorectal and rectal cancer than non-drinkers. A study published in the journal Cancer found that people who average 14 alcoholic drinks a week have a 25% higher chance of colorectal cancer and a 95% higher risk of rectal cancer. But researchers also found that quitting drinking can lower that risk. Cutting back on the salt could save thousands of lives. A study in France and the UK found if the food industry reduced the amount of salt in packaged and prepared foods, potentially more than 100,000 cases of heart disease and 25,000 strokes could be prevented through reduced blood pressure. The study's authors say even kidney disease and dementia rates could decrease. It turns out caring for grandchildren is good for the brain. A study in the Netherlands found grandparents who helped watch their grandkids, played with them, or helped with their homework scored higher on tests of memory and verbal fluency than grandparents who didn't. More research is needed, but the study's authors say caregiving could help slow down cognitive decline. And there may be some good news on the flu front. New data shows the season may have peaked. The CDC says the metrics it uses to measure flu activity, including hospitalizations and trips to the doctor, have been trending down. However, a good chunk of the country is still reporting moderate to very high flu activity. The CDC estimates there have been 19 million cases of the flu this season, with roughly 250,000 people having to be hospitalized. Approximately 10,000 people have died, including 44 children. And here in Washoe County, at one point, nearly 100 people were hospitalized with influenza. The latest report shows 36 weekly. This season in our area, 11 deaths have been reported. For a closer look, go to the feature section of our website, 2news.com, and click on the Health Watch icon.